Hello, my name is Sonia. Today I'll be teaching you the math concept exponent and powers. And I'm sharing the presentation regarding it. Is here. You can see my presentation. Topic is exponent and powers. And firstly, we will discuss what is exponent and powers. Power is the second name of exponent. I'll show you how we can represent the exponent. As you can see on the screen, 4 apple is there. How we can write in mathematical form in a very short form. We can, as you can see, apple power is 4. 4 is the power of apple. It means four apples are there in numbers. How many apples are there in number? 4 apples are there. So exponent tells you how many things are there in numbers. So I hope you understand what is exponential power. Now you can see how many bananas are there. 8 bananas are there. So how we can write in a short form, in mathematical form, in exponent form. Bananas and 8 is the power of banana. So how many bananas is there? In numbers 8. So we can write banana power 8. How we will say it? 8 is the power of banana. So in this way we can represent in mathematical form exponent. Second name is exponent power. Now you can see what is why we use it exponent and power. What is the use of it? As you know, when we do addition, repeated addition, 20 plus 20 plus 20, as you can see on the screen. What will be the answer? 60. But if we want to show in a shorter form using multiplication, if you want to show this mathematical statement in a shorter form, how you will write 20 multiply 3. Why 3? Because 3 times 20 is there. So how we can do that in a shorter form? How we can express in a mathematical form? 20 multiply 3. Answer is 60. So one is the way you simply 20, you can add repeated addition. 20 plus 20 plus 20 is equal to 20 multiply 3 is equal to 60. So here 20 multiply 3 is a shorter form using multiplication of because there is repeated addition. So you can write in a 2 ways. 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is shown in left side, and right side you can write in a shorter form by using multiplication. 20 multiply 3. So answer in both cases will be 60. So this is the way to show, to express these things in a mathematical form in a shorter way. As like in exponent, same way, repeated multiplication. If you want repeated multiplication, I'm repeating again, repeated multiplication. You want to write in a shorter form, then you use exponent. Now I will tell you what is repeated multiplication. Here you can see 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Here 2 is there 3 times. So how we can represent repeated multiplication? 3 is the power of 2. Okay, 3 is the power of 2. Here 3 means how many times 2 are there? 3 times. Or what is there? 2 is there. So 3 is the power of 2, and answer will be 8. So this is the way. This is the way to show repeated multiplication in a shorter form using exponent. So as you know, you can write 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. 3 times you can write 2 and between multiplication sign, and answer will be 8. But if you want a smart way, exponent form, shorter form in mathematical, you can write 3 is the power of 2. Answer will be 8. Both are same, but this is the way to show in a shorter form repeated multiplication. I hope you understand it. Now we will go further. Here you can see another example. If you want to multiply 8 6 times, 8 multiply 8, here 8 is there 6 times. So how you can express in exponent form? In a shorter form, mathematically exponent form, 6 is the power of 8. Here you can represent this statement. Instead of writing 6 times 8, you can write in a shorter form, mathematical form, 6 is the power of 8. So this is the way to write this mathematical statement in a shorter form by using exponent. Now we will go further. How we will say it? It is the way to say it. 3 is the power of 5. You can see here how we will call it. This is the exponential form. You can see it. How many times 5 is there? 3 times. So how we will say it? 3 is the power of 5. This is the exponential form. Now we will go further. What is base? What is exponent? Here I'll show you earlier 4 apple was there, and so the exponent was 4. So here apple base as exponent 4. Exponent second name is power. Here banana was 8. I'll show you earlier bananas. So here banana is base and exponent is 8. What is exponent? How many bananas in numbers? 8. So power is 8. We will say power, exponent, second name of exponent is power. So banana is base. So you can learn, I think you learn it. This is the base, banana is base, and 8 is a power exponent. That tells us how many bananas are there in numbers. Now we will go further. You will hear here a beautiful story about superheroes. One of Chota Bheem and Balveer. Who has a sword is a Balveer, and who wear red jacket, and this is uh, Chota Bheem. Now we'll go further. This is a devil, Gabbar. So Chota Bheem and Balveer will fight with Gabbar. Let's see how. Now you will see Chota Bheem has the magical power, and he can multiply itself 3 times. As you can see on the screen, like this Balveer. Balveer can multiply on self 5 times, as you can see on the screen. But now if they fight alone with Gabbar, then what will happen? If they will alone fight with Gabbar, Chota Bheem only converts himself only 3 times, and Balveer can convert on self only 5 times. So here Chota Bheem, as I told you, Chota Bheem can convert on self in 3 times. So Chota Bheem is a base and exponent 3. Power is 3 because he can convert on self into 3 times, as you can see on the screen. And Balveer can convert on self 5 times. So Balveer is the base and exponent is 5. Then see what will happen next. Now if they fight alone, Gabbar was very powerful. So what we will do? Chota Bheem and Balveer. Chota Bheem alone. If we alone, he has only 2 swords. But when he use magic power, he convert on self 3 times. So 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Power is 3 because he can multiply on self 3 times. Or one Chota Bheem has 2 swords. So one Chota Bheem has 2 swords and he can multiply on self 3 times. So 2 is the base and 3 is 3 times. He can multiply on self 3 times. So power is 3. Exponent. Second name of power is exponent. Don't forget that. And now Balveer. Balveer also has 2 swords, but he has more power than Chota Bheem. He can convert himself 5 times. So you can, as you can see on the screen, 2, because one Balveer has 2 swords. And how many times he convert himself? 5 times. So base is 2. And how many times he convert himself? 5 times. So now Chota Bheem has 8 swords and Balveer has 32 swords. But still they are not have enough strength to fight with Gabbar. Now what will they do? They will join hands together to fight with Gabbar. You know now Gabbar is black and very powerful. So what we will do? They both joins hands together. So what will happen? Chota Bheem Base is 2 and exponent is 3. And Balvir same has two swords. So base 2 and exponent is 5. Now what will happen when they both join hands together? Means base are same. Both here 2 is there. Base means both bases are same. 2 and 2. Each Chota Bhim has two swords. Balvir has two swords. So both are same base. But they can multiply himself 3 times and 5 times. Both has different magical powers. So when base are same and multiplying sign is there, then what will happen? Their power will add. Power means exponent. Their power will add 3 plus 5, 8. Now base is 2 and power 8. Now how many swords are there? 256. Now they kill Gabbar very easily. And now they will kill the Gabbar and will win the game. In this way, you can learn the main rule of exponent. When base are same, power will add. As I show you, she is Neha and he is Krish. Neha has 3 mangoes, so X3 is the power of mango, and Krish has 5 mango. So 5 is power of fish mango. So both mangoes are same, base are same, multiplication sign is there. So what will happen? Exponent will add, power will add. 3 plus 5, 8. So mango's power 8. 3 plus 5, 8. I hope you like the lesson. And thank you so much. Thank you for watching.